G'day from Flinders Ranges, South Australia. Here I am. This is Wilpena Campground, and this video is like a montage of clips and snippets of my trip. So I was here for about a week, drove here from Adelaide for 5 hours each way. And it's been a heat wave ever since I got here and left. It's been averaging 35 to 39 degrees Celsius, and in the desert it feels way hotter. And also for the first 3 days I ended up being here whilst there was an annual goat shooting, which was unfortunate, so I couldn't really explore much of the park as much as I really wanted to. But still got to see some epic wildlife, beautiful nature. Can you hear that? Here is a video of me drinking water late at night. I was drinking like mad because it is so hot out here. But yeah, I managed to stay on top of my hydration game. And here is my tent setup. It was just a sleeping bag on the ground with a pillow. I'm really grateful for this tent, and this is from the morning walk. Most mornings, I believe every morning, I would go up this hill. I'd either jog or walk up it and just soak in the sunrise. There were a lot of bees, friendly bees we were rescuing from the pool. A lot of kangaroos resting out in the shade. And this is like my cooking setup for the evening. I think it was like sweet potatoes, rice, lentils, ketchup. Sharing with the birds because sharing is caring. And yeah, and then going up Devil's Peak. This is one trail that was still open that we got to check out. This is not far from Hawker, I believe. And yeah, just epic climb. It was about like almost 300 meters elevation in less than 2Ks going up, and there was like a lot of scrambling up the hill, but the lookout was insane.
Vertical. It's pretty steep, but it is an epic view. That is the Flinders Ranges. You can see that. Amazing.
This is the view at the top. Epic views, feeling great, staying hydrated and climbing up the hills. Good morning. So it is 8:37 a.m. and we're going to head to some gorges finally today. We've had some issues the past couple of days. We came here at the biggest heat wave ever. It's been like averaging 36 to 38 degrees Celsius every single day, and that doesn't seem too bad, but out in the desert it's just way more intense, the heat. And not only that, there has been some goat culling. So like all the national park of Flinders Ranges has been closed for hiking and trails and stuff. So we've only been able to like drive or do very, very short walks, like trying not to risk our lives getting shot on a shooting zone. But yeah, today is the day that there is no longer any goat shooting happening anymore, so we're going to check out the gorges and I'll bring you along with me. Here are some beautiful sunflowers. That's my camera. That's my friend's hat. This is like a cool pair of meditation things. This is a red-tailed black cockatoo feather amongst the dreamcatcher. This is a Medusa plant. Medusa is like that Greek goddess with snakes on her head. And what else? We've also got some more bird feathers. This cool seed pod from
Kimberly. And I got some apples, some water, green juice, sun sleeves, GoPro, more water. And going for another walk throughout the gorges when it's finally open. A lot of bones out here because of the wildlife just gets eaten and the bones eventually decompose. This would actually have streams and creeks, but because it's been drought weather, there has been no water at all. I believe this hike was around 8 kilometers through the gorges. It was so hot, man, but so stunningly beautiful. So much eucalyptus and variety of eucalyptus. And also a lot of flies. I think I had about 40 flies on my body the entire walk. And I've even got a fly net, sun sleeves.
We can do it.
And then, just getting back to the car and, a lot of dead animals out here. But that's, the circle of life. Some papaya and, this, I believe, is Castle Rock. Maybe? Can't remember. We did so many hikes, I can't remember the exact same name. And there's so much bush food out here if you are knowledgeable about what is edible and what isn't out here. The native bush tucker.
Big fly. Come get it. I think it's a baby. It might have lost its mum or something. I don't know why it's behaving like that. Yeah. I'll give you some too. You need to scream at me.
Looks like magic.
It is.
This is, I believe, the yellow-ringed neck parrots. So cute. They like to forage. They're a little bit of a shy animal. And is that a crow? I'm not sure. This is back at the Wilpena campground. They have a lot of stuff here. They've got water, showers, powered and unpowered sites, caravan sites, also a IGA, also known as IGA. They've got a visitor information centre, and they're connected to the Hyson and Mawson Trail. This is at a shop. I think it's called Wapana. And this is an 8.6 kilo rock melon. Bumped into a lady on the drive on the way here. She was having a garage sale and she was showing us her amazing garden. She had so many things, so much DIY, and she was very self-sufficient. This is the walk we did to check out the Aboriginal art paintings, hand paintings. It was all caged. I can't really pronounce it. I think it's Akapanintha, but that's the cave paintings. Really amazing, but really sad that it has to be caged. That it is caged. You know, a lot of people can disrespect Indigenous landmarks. And back on the Hyson Trail, I basically lived off carbs this entire trip and it was amazing. Those are the fairy lights, a gas stove, lentils, some beans, cumin, capsicum, torch, water. We're set. Smoked a lot of incense because it's beautiful, natural incense, and a lot of possums came to say g'day during the evenings. They're very, very cute, curious animal. I love their little faces and big ears. Look at this, 6 a.m. Hello, you're a good dog. Oh, he's so cute.
So you know how to use Square. Alright, so I've got library or I've got key paint. You can make your mind up what's easier for you.
Yeah, a lot of questions I'll be able to. I know what I was going to say. Why not? So close to them.
As you can see that there is a swimming pool also at the campground. So really, like, I was living it up. And I had a bee sting my hand. It was really painful and inflamed for a few days. It stung me in the shower. A lot of bones out here in carcass. And that's the view of the sunset. Oh, it's just so amazing. And there's the moonlight.